Hey there guys. Okay, and today what we're going to be talking about is the Kleenex brand tissue paper. Okay. I use these when I have a cold. I started off using just regular toilet paper when I would have a cold. I would keep a roll right next to the bed where I'm usually just dying of the flu or whatever, has got into me. I would just roll off of a wad of it and, blow my nose or whatever, and then, just toss it. I started using tissue paper instead, the Kleenex brand, because it just seemed a little more convenient to actually. It doesn't seem like it if you just think about it. It's just easier to get your paper than to have to roll it off into a wad and then blow your nose. Like, it's always ready, right? So you see, like, you just pull one out and there's another one there ready to go, That's convenience. I like that a lot. And that's how it was. I switched over and I started using Kleenex. I don't get sick very often because I try to stay very sanitary with staying away from bacteria and viruses and stuff. But when I do get sick, I get sick. It hits me pretty hard. And so I like to have these because of convenience, and they're soft to the touch, and when you blow your nose, it doesn't just blow a hole in the material. I mean, a lot of the Kleenexes, not the Kleenexes, but a lot of tissues or toilet papers, anything, even if you wanted to use a paper towel, a lot of times you'll blow your nose and boom, it just blows right through, Tissues, this Kleenex brand tissue is pretty thick and it's very soft. It will hold. It will hold the moisture. That's what I like about it. It will withstand any kind of pressure that your nose will bring to the situation. It's good. It really is. And I've used it for a long while now. I switched over Kleenex brand tissue probably about maybe 4 years ago, and it's very inexpensive, very cheap, and I mean, I just keep them handy here at my house pantry, and whenever I need it, it's there. And there's a lot in here. There you get 85 sheets in here, which is pretty good for the length of a basic cold that a person might have. It's really good. I don't see a downside to this. Actually, I don't really like this box, how this box looks. It looks like kind of like a weird color, and it's not really for me. It's not very attractive, in my opinion, but it's about the contents that's inside, not really about the cosmetics of the packaging when it comes to this kind of thing. But it's really good. If you have a child, these are also good for babies. Like if your child has a cold and you want to keep these close to them because they have their little runny noses, and you need something really, really soft to make them feel taken care of, and you can do everything you need to do with these Kleenexes. Yeah, I like these a lot, and I've used them for a while. I think that if I went back to just rolling up wads of toilet paper while dealing with my cold, I would see the inconvenience of doing that. I mean, you do what you got to do if you don't have the best stuff around, but I think I would really miss my tissues just being conveniently right there, waiting for me to pull one off. you know, being ready with the next one, It's about convenience. And this you can kind of keep there like it's supposed to be there in your room or wherever you're laying or whatever, even in the dining area or whatever. There's nothing wrong with having a box of tissues next to you. But it does look strange if you have a roll of toilet paper sitting next to you in the living room or in the bedroom or anywhere else other than the bathroom. So yeah, this kind of feels like it belongs, and the toilet paper kind of feels like, what's that? And why is that there? In my opinion, anyway. Yeah, but it's good. I mean, I recommend it a lot, and it works very, very well. I like the Kleenex. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, this is the Kleenex tissue paper. Yes. The tissues that you use to blow your nose with are very good. Hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay. Bye-bye.